Okay, in the first video, we looked at the teacher model, so you were able to answer question 1 and see that the equation is y equals x squared plus 6x minus 8. We defined axis of symmetry. We discussed the formula for the axis of symmetry. I didn't explicitly say the answer for the teacher model. So the answer for the teacher model, well, if we're looking for the axis of symmetry, so the axis of symmetry for the teacher model, we saw it on the graph, and we'll look at it with the formula. X equals negative b over 2a. So let's look at our equation and see what's b. Well, b is 6. So negative 6 over 2 times a. And what's a? Well, I don't see anything in front of x squared, so it must just be 1 of x squared. So a is just 1. So negative 6 over 2 times 1 is negative 6 over 2, or negative 3. So the answer for the teacher model is x equals negative 3. That's the axis of symmetry. Moving on to guided practice. So now we want the axis of symmetry for y equals x squared minus 4x plus 12. And now that we have this nice formula for it, it's easy to solve. X equals negative b over 2a. Let's find b in the equation. That would be negative 4. Let's find a in the equation. Well, I don't see anything in front of x squared, so that would just be 1. Okay, so I'm going to have x equals negative of negative 4 over 2 times, well, a is 1. So I have x equals negative of negative 4 is positive 4 divided by 2 times 1, which is 2, and that is 2. So my axis of symmetry is x equals 2. And one last one, independent practice. X equals negative b over 2a. Pause the video, try to solve yourself, and then come back. Okay, negative b, that would be negative 6 over 2a. That's 2 times 3. So x equals negative 6 over 6, which is negative 1. The answer is x equals negative 1. That's the axis of symmetry of this equation.